Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Crown. This is Hilda, your host. Today we start another series of DIY choose diamond paintings. We have 6 over here, but because we have a big one, we are gonna divide it, okay? So I'm gonna do these 3, the second part, and these 3, the first part, okay? Let's get started. We got a partial, a special drill over here. Okay. We got the bolt, the tool kit. I'm gonna see the drills. This is a 30 by 30, a soft one, and this is a nice butterfly. Yeah, beautiful butterfly. Different shapes. This one has 7 colors, 7 shapes. Take a look at this. Yeah. Hot glue. 30 by 30. Take a look at this. Beautiful butterfly. We have only 7 colors. It's a special shape partial. These are the quickies that you can do, and if you're new to diamond painting, these are the ones that you should be getting. Okay, they always have discount on DIY choose. Okay, let me show you. These only 7. Let's see, lots of rhinestones to look at. Let's see if it will focus. Maybe it needs to be a little bit lower. Oh, here it is. You see the backing of those rhinestones? Beautiful. We got 2 packs of 2 of the clear. We have a bunch of rhinestones. These teardrops, which are beautiful. The golden ones. More golden ones. Yeah, we have 2 packs of this. The big golden ones. And 2 pack of number 7, which is this teardrop AB, clear AB, faceted. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Okay. So this is gonna be a pretty one. Okay, let's get to the next one. This one is regular drill. And this is 30 by 32. This one I got the feeling that has a training wheels. Although it doesn't look that bad. We got the boat, and then they have the They had the color. Look how beautiful they are. But we might gonna have to put the code of the canvas. Let's see the canvas. We take care of that later. Canvas is a little stiff. This is 24 colors with the DMC code, numbers 1 through 8, and then the letters. I got this one because it looks so beautiful. But it is round, but doesn't have that black line on it. All that I see. This is a 30 by 30, a beautiful one. Let's take it. Okay, the glue is good. Look at those roses. Look at the detail. Let's look at the drill fill, okay? Here it is. You're gonna need a light pad, but the symbols are clear. Look at that beautiful rose. Look at this one. Lots of detail in there. For a 30 by 30, but it has 24 colors. For a small one, it has a lot. A lot of muted colors, and that's why you see over here. Let's put the code of the, let's see, where is the opening of this? On this side. So let's put it on this other side. SC 4489. Okay. Here they are. Beautiful colors. I don't want to disturb them. That's why I don't, take them out. Because they can now this one is real big. It's a 40 by 60, and I have to get this one because it's so beautiful, so beautiful. You'll see, very colorful. We have the toolkit, the basic one. We got also the, look at all these colors. Look at how beautiful they are. They're already packed, ready to go. But I usually put a sticker with the symbol and the DMC code. But take a look at this, how beautiful it is. I'll open it in a little bit. Let me put this on the side. Take a look at this. How beautiful this is. This one has 30 colors. It's a 40 by 60, which is a pretty big one. Yeah, this doesn't mean that it's folded or anything, that it's damaged. It's just the cover sheet. All we have to do is, get it out. Has a lot of static though. Take a look at how beautiful this is. Ooh. 30 colors, and you got symbols and letters on this one. It's a 40 by 60. Take a look at this, colorful. This is so colorful. Let me get you when we do it play part. The symbols are pretty clear. Look at how colorful it is. 30 colors on it. Wow. A lot of detail. A lot. It's like three-dimensional. Here it is, the flowers at the bottom part. All those details. They got a whole bunch of butterfly. I got 3 down here. 1, 2, 3. And then 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is a butterfly. It's hidden in there. 9 and 10. Around 10 butterflies. But look at how beautiful. I love the colors on this one. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Makes you feel doing it. Let's take a look at this one from the pack, because this one has 30 colors. I'm gonna have to put the number of the. Take a look at these colors. Let me grab one orange right here. They're vacuum sealed, which is good. Okay. Here are more colors. Let me get you closer. Here they are. Beautiful colors. Look at these purple. That's so beautiful. Beautiful. Let me write the number of the, because I separate the drills from the canvas. This one is HQ 047. Okay. So here it is one more time. That is beautiful. And here I leave you. Okay? Thank you for watching. Remember to hit like, comment, and share. Okay? And subscribe if you're new to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy. You can browse the whole channel. I have various crafts. Okay? And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. From Mickey and I. Until the next time, Mickey is my fur baby. Okay? I'm Hilda, your host. So until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.